Next, let us see the median of the data. So median can be represented as middlemost value. We can call it as middlemost. So if n is odd, then median formula will be n plus 1 by 2th term. So if n is even, median is given as n by 2 and n by 2 plus 1th term average. So these are the 2 points. Of course, we can point out the middlemost value, but in order to do the procedure, we have to follow these formulas. If n is odd, n plus 1 by 2th term. If n is even, n by 2 and n by 2 plus 1th term average. So let us take an example to understand this. Example 12. So the heights of 9 students of a class are as follows. So the heights are 155, 160, 145, 149, 150, 147, 152, 144, 190, 148. So these are the heights of the various students. So we have to find out median. So let us see how to solve this median questions. Word solution. So while finding the median questions, given observations, first we need to write. So what are the given observations here? 155, 160, 145, 149, 150, 147, 152, 144, 148. So arrangement of observations in increasing or decreasing order we can do. So arrangement of observations in increasing order. So if you are arranging the observations in increasing order, so smallest number is 144. So 144, 145, 148, 149, 150, 152, 155. Okay, next we have 160. So totally we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So one number is missing here. 144, 145, 148, 149, 150, 152, 155, 160. So okay, 147 we are missing here. Let us write here 147. Okay. After arranging this in increasing order, now see here, number of observations we need to count out first. So if you observe here number of observations 1, 2, 3, totally 9 are there, which is odd number. So 9 is odd number. So if n is odd, number of observations are odd. So median formula is n plus 1 by 2 term. So that is 9 plus 1 by 2 term, which is 10 by 2, which is 5th term. So in this the 5th term is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 149. So median is 149. It means that in your increasing order observations, whatever the middle value is there, that will be the median. So here middle value is 149, that we can write directly, but you need to follow a procedure. In terms of MCQs, multiple choice questions, you have to write the arrangements in increasing order. Thereby, whichever the value is middle, that you have to point it out as a median. Yeah. Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn about the median. Yesterday already we learned about median, but today we are going to see for even number. So let us take an example. So it is taking the own example. Find the median of 2, 3, 5, 1, 6, 8, 4. Okay. This is the given data. For this we are going to find out the median. So let us see the word solution for this. So given observations. So let us write what are the observations that are given. 2, 3, 5, 1, 6, 8, 4, 7. The arrangement of observations in the increasing order. So we are arranging these observations in the increasing order. In increasing order. So it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is the increasing order. So here number of observations. Number of observations which is 8, which is even. So median formula we have n by 2 and n by 2 plus 1th term average. N by 2 and n by 2 plus 1th term average. So here the median is 8 by 2 and 8 by 2 plus 1th term average. That is 4th and 5th term average. So in the given increasing order observations, 4th and 5th terms are 4 and 5. So therefore median is equals to 4 plus 5 by 2 average. So 9 by 2, which is 4.5. So this is the median answer. Next, we will discuss about the mode of the data. So mode of any data is given as the highest repeated observation. The highest repeated observation we are going to call it as a mode. Okay, let us take an own example. Find the mode of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. So if you observe here, let us see the word solution. So let us arrange the given observations in the increasing order. The arrangement of observations in increasing order. In increasing order. So if you arrange the observations in increasing order, it is 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4 and 5. So in this 3 is repeated highest number of times. So therefore mode of the above data, mode of data is equals to 3. Let us take one question from the exercise. So the question, exercise 14.4, first question. So first question is that Find the following are the number of scores. The following are the number of goals scored by a team in a series of 10 matches. In series of 10 matches. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 0, 1, 3, 3, 4, 3. So we need to find mean, median and mode of the data. Mean, median and mode of the data. So let us see the word solution for this. So first let us find out the median. Given observations. So what are the given observations? 2, 3, 4, 5, 0, 1, 3, 3, 4, 3. Arrangement of observations in increasing order. Observations in increasing order. So if you arrange the observations in increasing order, 0, 1, 2, 3, 3, 3, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 2 4s are there, 4, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 observations are there. So mean, number of observations. So number of observations which are 10. So mean formula is x bar is equals to sum of observations to number of observations. So here sum of observations. So that is 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4 plus 4 plus 5 by 10. So 1 plus 2, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 19, 23, 28. So 28 by 10 which is 2.8. So that is mean which is denoted by x bar. So mean answer is 2.8. Next we will find out the median. So number of observations, everything is okay for us. Now since number of observations, so this is second scenario. We are not going to write these two steps, given observations and arrangement of the observations in increasing order. Number of observations which is 10, which is even. So median is n by 2 and n by 2 plus 1th term average. So here n is 10, so 10 by 2 and 10 by 2 plus 1th term average. So that is 5 and 6th term average. So 5th and 6th term in this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 3 plus 3 divided by 2, that is 3 is the median. So here median is, answer is 3. Next we have to find out the mode. So mode, we can write directly the answer. Mode is 3. Why? Because it is repeating highest terms, highest repeated frequency. So mode answer will be 3. So this is the way of finding mean, median, mode of any data.